Hello, and welcome back to Neon. I'm really excited to show you what we have in store for our Control Center shortcuts. We announced back in March our Control Center 5.0 shortcuts, and today we're going to be announcing them, and we're going to be releasing them this fall. So first off, let's talk about the naming. We announced back in March that the naming was going to be Control Center Series 5. Well, we're going to be dropping that. Instead, we're going to be calling our shortcuts Control Center 5. And we have 3 different shortcuts in this Control Center 5 lineup. Control Center Standard, Professional, and High-End. Let's start off with the Standard version, which is going to be the replacement to Control Center Mini. Control Center Mini is our second lowest end shortcut, and now it's going to be taking a big step forward into the big upgrade, which is going to be the new standard for our Control Center shortcuts. And again, this is going to be a huge upgrade for our new standard shortcut, and I'd like to show you it right now. This is Control Center 5. Control Center 5 focuses on some new creativity features, specifically creativity features with photos. If you notice, in Control Center 5, we replaced share photos as just photos, because it does a whole lot more than sharing photos. You can still share photos, but now you can combine the images. You can remove image backgrounds. You can rotate and resize images, and you can even convert video to audio. And rather than showing you this in images, how about we give a demo for the first time ever? So here is Control Center 5. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to play it. And as you can see, we get the new iOS 16 UI. So we can simply tap on the photos, and I can go ahead and try out trim video. So I can simply tap on that, and I have this video that I want to trim. I can simply tap on that, and now I can trim this video to whichever segment that I want to start off and whichever one I want to end off. So I'll just get around maybe this portion. Let me just do this real quickly. This portion, let me save, and it will save it just like that, and everything works great. So that was just a quick little demo of Control Center 5. We also have a QR code generator in Control Center 5, and I'd like to give you a demo of that as well. Here we are back in Control Center 5, and what I can do is I can play it. I can click on QR code generator, and I can type in any URL that I want. So in this case, I'll just do google.com. And I can tap on done. And as you can see, it immediately creates me a QR code that anyone can scan to go to google.com. So that was a quick little demo of the QR code generator in Control Center 5. Control Center 5 is going to be available on iOS 16, iPadOS 16, macOS Ventura, and watchOS 9. And that is Control Center 5. But we have even more to show you today, and we're going to be showing you our professional and high-end Control Center shortcuts today as well. And these are replacements to Control Center and Control Center Pro. Control Center and Control Center Pro are our 2 highest-end control centers, and today we're going to be giving them some massive upgrades, also centered around creativity. We'd like to show you them right now. We going wild! This is Control Center 5 Pro and Control Center 5 Max. They are some huge upgrades to our 2 highest-end control centers. They also have these new photos features that we showed you with Control Center 5, so sharing photos, combining images, removing image backgrounds, rotating and resizing images, and converting video to audio. But we're also adding converting videos to HEVC, and I'd like to show you this right now as well. Here we are in Control Center 5 Pro. what I can do is I can click on play, and I can go ahead and click on photos. And what I can do here is that I can tap on convert video to HEVC. I have that same video, and I'm going to convert it straight to HEVC now. And it was really quick to convert this video to HEVC. So that was a quick little demo of converting videos to HEVC. We also have a sneak peek of a feature that we're going to be releasing later this year. That's not ready yet, but we're going to be releasing later this year. And there's ProRes conversion. On the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max, Apple allows for ProRes video recording native on the device. And the A15 Bionic in these devices also allow for dedicated ProRes encoders and decoders right on the hardware. And on Apple's newest Mac chips like M2, M1 Pro, M1 Max, and M1 Ultra, they have built-in ProRes encoders and decoders as well. So we're going to be taking advantage of those because now with Control Center 5 Pro and Control Center 5 Max, you can convert videos to ProRes 422. And so that was ProRes conversion. And that is Control Center 5 Pro and Control Center 5 Max. So for release of these new shortcuts, Control Center 5 is going to be released this September, and Control Center 5 Pro and Control Center 5 Max in October. And they're going to be available for the first time ever on Routine Hub. So that was a look at our new Control Center shortcuts, and we still have a lot more to show you later this month. Thank you for joining us.